Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this channel, we are posting JavaScript related videos continuously. In this video, we are going to see the differences between the var, let, and constant. The simple definition I have written here: var means declare many times and initialize also many times. Here, let means declare one time and initialize many times. This is let. And for const is declare one time and initialize also one time. This is a simple terms for simple understanding. I will do some examples for this, okay, so that you can understand better. So I will start from first. Here var means declare many times and initialize many times. First declare means we need to put like var letter const like this, and I will put first name equal to, I will put some string like John. This is var name. That is a declaration, and initializing, that is giving the value to the variable, is initialization. Here we have declared variable called name. For that variable we have assigned, that is initialized John. Here I am console this log this name. I will log this name and I click run. The John output we can get here, okay. And after this line again I am redeclaring, again I am declaring the name as another name, like Mary I am declaring and is initializing. Again I am consoling name. Here you need to understand, here in the we have declared a name and initialized that name. Here again I am declaring name, again here I am initializing name, okay. Here I am declaring two times, like this is many times we can declare, that is supportable in var, okay. That is I am trying to tell, okay. We can any multiple times we can able to declare a same variable, and initialization also we can do multiple times. And just I am clicking run. Anyways, I will clear the old values and I again clicking here. Here in the first line, then for name it is declared and initialized by John. I have, if I control, name is present as John. After that again I am redeclaring the same variable as name and initializing another name, that is supporting, and the output is also coming Mary. So here what you understand is, here declare many times. Here in the same variable we can declare again and again, that is not issues in var. And initialization also we can assign new values for the same name, same declared variables, that is supportable in var. We will I will comment this first, okay. I hope this var is understandable. If anyone asks you about the var, you need to tell like declare many times and initialize many times also supportable, like that you can tell, okay. I will comment this. I will copy the same code, and here also I will tell the same example. Here I am changing this to let. Here wait, I will comment this for first. Here the name is declared and the John is initialized to the variable name. Here I am controlling the name, the name John will control here. Wait, I will clear this control and run this command. Here John is coming. Here only one variable declared and one value assigned. Here I am again trying to declare the same name, okay. Same name I am trying to declare, and I am trying to initialize again. Okay, so I will try to console, I will clear and run again. Here error will come like identifier name has been already declared. What it means, name is declared one time, but again we are trying to declare name, so it is not supported in let, so that it shows that error like identifier name has been already declared. So in let we can't able to declare the same variable more than one time, so you need to only declare one variable at one times only. So I am just removing this let, and okay, so declare one time only is supported. This I have explained. I will explain this. Initialize many times. Here one variable name is declared. Here I am initializing as John. Here I am reinitializing the name as Mary. So I am just clear the console and again run. This is support. So John and Mary is coming. So what it means, here we can able to initialize again and again for the same variable. This is supported in let, so that this will give the meaning declare one time and initialize many time. Initialize many time, it is supportable in let. Okay, I hope you understand this. I will take this same example and I will show here. I will go to next const. Here just to clear the console. If I what I have done here is I just declared a name using constant, and John is assigned to name constant name. In name variable I have initialized John. So here what we have done is assign declared one time and initialized one time. This only supported in const. I will just run here. This is working. Okay, so one time initialize and one time initially in one time declare and one time initialize is working. Here I am just trying to declare. Okay, here I am trying to declare and I will clear this run. If I click run, error will come like name is already has been declared. So this name only one time only able to declare, that is here I have told. Okay, so we can't able to redeclare the same name, so I just remove this declaration part. So just I am cleared the console, and here the initializing part also only one times only we can able to do. So here one name declared John I have assigned initialized in the same variable. I try to second time I'm trying to initialize, but this is also not supported in const. Only one time only supported const initialize. So I just clear the console and I again run. Here also the error will come like assignment to constant variable. Here this is telling like you can't able to assign variable to this already assigned variable. So here we assigned to John for the name. Here we are again trying to initialize again Mary in the same variable name, so it's also not support. So what we can do here is I will show how to solve this error. Here if you need two variable means you can change the declarable name, so name 1 and name 2, like this you can use if you record in your time. So I just cleared the console, I just run. We have successfully got that output. In name 1 Jari and Mary 2, in name 2 Mary, like this you can use this varlet constant as per your requirement. So I hope you have understood the full explanation of var let and the const. If you have any doubts, please comment on this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please give a like to this video. Thank you very much. Bye.